how to email Progressive Insurance. So if you want to email Progressive Insurance, then first make sure that your laptop or your desktop is connected with an internet service, and then open up any browser of your choice. I'll be here with Chrome browser. So here there are different methods to email Progressive Insurance. So let's say if you want to complain or file a claim on a Progressive Insurance, then what you can do is you can simply contact through an email. That is, you need to head over to your browser, web browser, and on the search box type progressive.com and hit the enter. Once you've directed to the official site, this is how your interface is gonna look. And so right on the top you will have about us option, right? Tap on the about us, and here you will have resources on the left side of your screen. Tap on resources or click on the resources, and on the right hand side corner here you will have chat now option. Click on chat now, and here you will be taken to the help center under where you can contact with multiple tools. So to send an email, simply click on send email, which is here on the right side of your screen. Click on send email, and then you need to select a topic. You need to simply choose a topic and then scroll down, and here you need to fill out the following fields. So first you need to enter the name, and then you need to enter the policy or your claim amount or the claim address, and then the ATP, and then the state, email, street address, city, and the zip code. So if you have the star mark, then that means it is required field. You need to enter that field. And once you enter all of the information, enter your mobile number, and here it says your question about roadside assistant. So here you need to enter the feedback or the question that you would like to ask. You need to enter the reason for contacting the customer care in detail, and after that you need to click on this box and mark that. And once you've done all of that, you need to click on submit, and once you click on submit, it will take you to the next page where you'll be notified that request has been submitted, and all you have to do is wait patiently until 24 hours. And if you want to upload some files regarding that, then you can simply open up a new tab and then type in mail.google.com, and now you can simply go for the compose button, which is here on the left side, and here on the right hand side of your screen you need to type in the email address of the Progressive Insurance, that is upload@email.progressive.com. And on this interface you need to type in the subject or the reason for contacting the customer care, and right over here you need to paste a link, or you can simply enter the screenshot or a file that you would like to add. And once you've done, you need to click on the send button, and within 24 hours you will be receiving a response. And in this way you can email Progressive Insurance. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.